Hello, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Kit Plus model. Plus model is 47 minutes versus the lower ones. Now you got to pay a little bit more for the 47-minute one. Now this is supposed to come with a case. I actually 3D printed a case for my drone. So here we go. We got the bag. Nice packaging material, but okay, we set that to the side. Yeah, I like the feel of the material that they used. Actually got some protection on the sides here. I don't know after years that this material might get harder and start cracking, but doesn't really have a smell to it. Wouldn't that be cool if they made them out of leather? There's the thought, DJI. So we got a strap there. I don't know why they would put the strap sideways like that. So it's hitting the side of you. That's a weird design. Alright, we got a little tag here. Alright, let's open this up. This is pretty weird. I don't know if you could see that. It's like a... Wouldn't a zipper get caught in there? Wow, that's a strange design right there. It's pretty cool. Kind of like a waterproofing almost. You know how zippers get caught in like your backpacks? So it really doesn't open up as much. Like, that's kind of strange. So we have the charger cord here, USB to Type-C, and we have some extra blades, which could come in handy. Some candy. No, it's not candy. See what comes in here. Any stickers? You know what? I have to look through the material. I don't think the drone came with any DJI stickers. With the camera, I got DJI stickers. We want our stickers, DJI. So this is the whole thing, what I bought it for. This, I would imagine, this is where you're going to put your drone. Alright, so main thing, we got our batteries. These things are probably deader than a doorknob. But, wow, this has got some weight to it. It actually feels like a battery. Unlike the one that comes with the drone. Yeah, it's actually got weight to it. Let's grab the one out of the drone. That thing is so light. You can see that one drops a lot faster. Yeah, very light. This doesn't even seem like a battery is in it. It feels like just the weight of the plastic almost. This is the one that, you know, makes it the 249 gram. But these actually feel like a battery. This doesn't. So, yeah, these batteries are completely dead. I don't know why that is. When they ship them, they're completely dead. I don't think that's good for the batteries. So if we can see, we can put this one in. We have an indicator. So I have 3 dots there. Let's try that again so you can see it. And obviously these right here, completely dead. That is strange. I don't think it's good shipping batteries not charged at all. At least charge them 50% or something. So yeah, I got these because this battery really doesn't seem like it's gonna last long. It's very, very light. So you're probably gonna get like 20 minutes out of this. These you'll probably get about 40 to the time what this one's supposed to get. So I do like this little kit thing. Now this is output, so let's see if I could charge my Samsung phone with it. Cause that'd be cool. Like when you go on like a trip or something, instead of having, you know, a power bank with you, you could actually charge your phone instead of buying a power bank. So let's do this. I'll plug this into my Samsung phone. So here we go. I got my Samsung phone. Nothing. We have to hit power probably. No. There it goes. And showing indicator. So that stays lit up while this is taking power. And will it fast charge my phone? No, not exactly. It says 1 hour, it's about 25%, 1 hour and 35 minutes. But you can charge your phone with it. That's pretty cool. So I wonder if like this battery, this one dies down first, will it go to the second one? I might have to do some testing on that. But yeah, having a charger bank for your phone when you're on vacation or something, that's nice. It's a nice feature. Obviously, I think you put your drone over here on this side. That's what it's curved for. I actually printed this case right here for the drone. I'll show you that. Let me put these down. There goes the case. And they're magnetic, so I'm waiting for the magnets to come in. So this will all snap together. I actually got this one, the top part. I haven't taken apart yet. That's just the supports printed. Yeah, I don't believe the top cover did not print right. But yeah, it did. Just wasn't sitting in there right. So once I have the magnets, this will all snap together. It's a nice little case for the drone. Fits in there perfect. Cool. So yeah, it took some hours printing this case, but worth it. It's gonna have the magnetic, so strong magnetic magnets, so I can get access to the drone. And just slide it in and out. Yeah, so that's a cool case that I printed for the drone. Which it fits in here perfect in the bag. You know, instead of buying a separate bag, you actually get, with the battery pack, you get the bag. So that's the whole reason why I kind of bought the extended batteries. Just to have them too, and then to have as a charger bank on road trips. That's a nice feature. So I hope you guys liked the video of the unboxing of the Fly More Kit Plus model. As always, thanks for watching.